Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I know in our last video on this guitar I said I wasn't going to do another video about it. I guess I lied. So if you haven't seen the last video on this guitar, go check it out. It was, I think it was good. What we did is we cut some custom plates to replace the ones that are on it, which were these guys, and to deal with some damage right here where one of the controls clearly got pushed in. The wood's all screwed up there. It's kind of a mess. So we cut the plates. I said I needed to make sure I had instructions from the customer essentially to go ahead and route this cavity out so that the plate will sit on there without this wood underneath and all of this stuff can be installed directly onto the plate. Well, he was fine with that. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Again, if you didn't check out that video, I'm telling you, you're probably going to want to do that. So for the purpose of doing this, I want something small, something I can carefully run over here. That big router that you will have seen me use recently to like shave the top off a guitar and run a big, half-inch, call it, and everything. Not what I'm looking for here. So I've got something smaller. And this is, well, let's call it my favorite small router, trim router. It's not really a trim router. It's just a cute little guy. So this is what's going to do the job for us today. It comes with a plunge base as well, but I don't need that for our purposes right now. What I'm going to do is drill out a bigger hole here and use a flush cut bit to route out this cavity very carefully. As always, guys, if you watch this video and you think, hey, I really need one of those, it will be available in the link in the description. I would appreciate it if you get it through there. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out if you do, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, but of course, you certainly don't have to. Just look it up. It's pretty easy to come across. What do we call this? A DWP611. Nice little router. Gets the job done. Not suitable for huge, powerful kind of work, but powerful work. But anyway, it'll do perfect for this. So let's get it set up with a bit. Drill a hole in that thing. Make sure all the electronics are out of the way and get going. Well, I'm not upset with that. That turned out awesome. I'm jealous. Yep, I want one. I want one. So now that really is it for this guitar. I know I said I wouldn't do another video, but I just really wanted to show you guys that. Once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you get the previews and stuff of these projects kind of as I'm working on them before I make the videos of them. So don't forget to do that. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Craig, I hope you like the guitar. Guys, please remember to subscribe so you can see the cool stuff we got coming out that's just like this. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.